performance boldly redefined.
Okay, let's go through the assembly of the GPS and the GPS XL. They're going to be very similar. Obviously, the compact GPS is an 18.5-inch barrel, and then the GPS XL is going to be in a 28-inch barrel in a 3.5-inch configuration. Same concept. First thing, remove your end cap. It's just going to spin off counterclockwise. Take your end cap and set it to the side. Now, we're actually going to take the entire forearm and we're going to slide that forearm out. You're going to see you have the forearm and the bolt, which actually has an indentation in the bottom and a groove to set on, as one piece. So we're going to keep that together. Easiest way to do this, take your barrel and your forearm assembly and actually put them together. So what you're going to see is the bolt itself sets up into the barrel as one whole piece of assembly. Now take that, slide it back over your magazine tube and right down into the gun. Make sure that your barrel lug is aligned on the mag tube, slides down, end cap on, tighten, click, click, ready to go. Forearm release, press your button in, back, and you're ready to go with any of the GPS lineup.